Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the order of your website's menu on Wix. If you've ever wanted to customize your navigation for a better user experience, or maybe you just want to tidy things up a little, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to rearrange your menu links and even how to remove the home button if you prefer folks to click your logo instead. Let's jump right in. So let's start with the basics. We've got a menu with multiple selections on our Wix site. If you hop into your Wix editor, you'll see your website laid out, and near the top, your menu bar with various links. Go ahead and click on the menu itself. This will highlight the entire navigation area. Wix makes this pretty straightforward. You'll notice an option that pops up called Manage Menu. Click on that button. Now you're in the menu management view. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a list of all your current menu selections stacked on top of each other. To reorder these, it's literally as simple as clicking and dragging. For example, if you want your About page to appear before your Services page, just click the About page option, hold, and drag it to your desired spot. Take your time here. Think about how people use your site. For a restaurant website, you might want menu up front, or if you're a portfolio site, projects might deserve top billing. The order of your navigation isn't just a technical detail, it shapes how people explore what you offer. As you drag and drop, you'll see the menu adjusting in real time, letting you preview how things will look for your visitors. And don't worry if you don't get it perfect on the first try. It's super easy to keep rearranging until you're totally happy. If you've got a lot of pages, this process might take a few moments, but Wix's interface makes it pretty painless. Just remember, changes here will reflect across your whole site, so you're streamlining navigation everywhere. Now maybe you want to take the customization a bit further. A common practice these days is to remove the home page link from the menu and just let people click your logo to get back to your home page. If that's your style, here's how you do it. Look for the home page item in your menu list. You'll see 3 small dots next to it. That's your options menu. Click those 3 dots and a little drop-down will appear. Just click Remove from Menu. Don't worry, this doesn't delete your home page. It just hides the link from your navigation, making your menu look a bit cleaner and more modern. You can always add it back later if you change your mind. Once you've finished reordering your menu and making any changes like removing home, it's a good idea to preview your site. Look for the Preview button in the top right of the Wix editor and click it. This lets you see exactly how your visitors will experience your new menu layout, and you can double-check everything is in the right spot before you hit Publish. And that's it, you've just streamlined your Wix site's menu, making navigation easier and maybe giving your site a fresh, professional feel. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or run into any issues, drop them in the comments below. I'm always here to help. And if you want more tips and tricks for building your dream website, be sure to subscribe so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.